right there. Gold. Not too much cover, and I wish I made a cleaner exit. But hey, you know, that's the magic of movie making. We can cut and edit, produce, reproduce. It'll be okay. This is Surf with Spadone, and we are in Baja, California. Today I'm on assignment for this virtual reality company, and they want me to get a POV 360 shot in one of those waves out there. Here, let me show you my rig, my little setup. Here's a little helmet with the new GoPro Fusion. The one thing I am concerned about though is the chin strap. So this is just a one little buckle, and the weight of a wave like that could definitely rip it off my head. So what I'm gonna do is probably fold this over and get another zip tie on there while it's on my face. You know, it's not for the looks, it's for the shot. Climbing into a wet wetsuit, always an experience. Chew, look at these. So this is the setup. Got some sups, we got a classic Joe Bark paddle board, and I got this rat. And I got one other option upstairs, and let's go take a look at that one. Here we go. This is a fly-by-night type of board. Pretty straightforward. It's a chode. It's a fatty, but it'll get the job done. The only thing I'm a little concerned about is the labels. I can't have those in the 360 shot, or I could just put some duct tape over it. Whichever works. Holy crap. Okay, my last wave was epic, and I'm gonna go stitch it and see what the results were, okay? Hopefully it lives up to the hype. Whew. Embarrassingly, I got the nickname Bucket while I was out there. Yeah. Oh my god, I look like a bucket. Yeah.
Chum bucket.
Okay, we got the rig set up. It's plugged in. Let's get a power on. Yeah. We got the Fusion software. Let's run it up. Extra batteries. Always a good choice. Let's fucking browse this camera media. Oh my god. Alright, let's see what we got.
So when reviewing clips, the first thing I look for is color. And this one's gorgeous. The wave is perfectly backlit from the sun. I also shot in 60 frames per second, so we can slow that section of the wave down. Yeah, so this audio is actually added afterwards in ambisonics, which really helps the virtual reality experience. Another thing that you might notice is that my helmet is kind of blacked out with this gray blob, and that's because we don't want the users to be able to see me and only see the wave. But this works, let's run with it.
So I got the footage, and I found my 2 good waves, and they're rendering right now in ProRes. All right, so as that's rendering, I'm gonna go over to my other house next door and grab a beer. Good morning, and looks like the swell kind of backed off a little bit, but I did see a really good 2 to 3 feet overhead set that just rolled in. And I'm kind of excited because it's a little overcast, and well, it's not the best lighting, but it'll be even lighting, so it'll look good on camera, so long as there's no little water droplets on the lens. Yeah, I'm obviously still just waking up here, but my goodness, 3 sessions yesterday is rough. I am so stiff. I wish I'd taken ibuprofen before I fell asleep, because wow, I'm in rough shape right now. But I'll probably get, I don't know, probably an hour this morning after I have a little quick breakfast. But the sooner I get out there, the better, for sure.
You got to take down these servers. Miguel, I'm going to take you down there and you got to take the spins. You must. They are taking the waves. They're taking everything. It's unrespectable, disrespectful shitheads on their blogs and internet.
Dudes, look at this. Someone cut our power, so I can't plug in the generator to power the house up right now. Okay, so I'm just running the wire from the generator as far as I can. So looks like the generator ran out of gas. Stop charging my things. Yeah, that's empty. I couldn't get a battery that was at full juice, so instead I'm just gonna bring all the batteries I have at 30% and swap them out. All I really need is one good wave, so I'll be out there until I get it. I think I got it. Not only did I get it, I think I got it like twice, maybe 3 times. So I got my little fin key USB, and I'm gonna crack open this camera and put the footage in. The only issue that I think I had was when I was surfing with this thing. Every time I would check the lens, there was a little bead of water on it, and that's a rookie mistake. I know that I need to get Rain X and put it on there. It's like an oil-based product that you wipe on the lens. A lot of people just lick the lens like, you know, that only goes so far, especially with such a commanding fisheye like that. Like, you know, on a flat surface like this Hero, it would work, but on a rounded thing like that, not so much. So I'm a bit nervous on what that would look like, but I spent maybe 45 minutes in there, and I feel like I got the shot. So instead of risking a camera like this, I came out and I'm gonna plug it in, see if I get it. If I don't, oh well, you know, those swells are still pumping. I'll probably just get back out there and try again. Okay, so after reviewing the footage, I got what I needed, and unfortunately, it's time to head back to the States because I got work to do. ¿Cómo está ustedes, Toyotito?
Bien, gracias, morgón.
No drinks here, bartender. Just good, clean stoke. Oh yeah, it's good. It's real good. Oh shoot, I forgot to say. So every time I come down, I put a new sticker on the wall. This year was Jay's, Pasta Jay's out in Moab, Utah. Real good pasta. Complete shout out to Pasta Jay's, especially the DreamWorks TV crew that I was working with and had a meal down there with. You guys are awesome. Better than Pasta Jay's. All right. See ya. That's a lock.
Well, thank you very much. That wraps up this episode. And if you haven't done so already, friends and family especially, please subscribe to my channel. I have a lot more 360 and surfing video content coming up. Next trip to Baja will take place this Thanksgiving and holiday season, so check those notifications. Also, I'm going to leave a bunch of notes in the description, links to outside sources, so if you have any other questions, please comment and smash that button. I appreciate it, and I'll talk to you guys later.